HTML, full course for beginners to pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Vision. I hope you're doing great. Have you ever wondered how websites like YouTube, Instagram, Amazon, or Google are built? When you open a website, click a button, watch a video, fill out a form, or search for something online, have you ever stopped and thought, what is actually happening behind the scenes? How does a browser understand everything? How do websites display text, images, buttons, and videos? Well, the answer starts with one language, and that language is HTML. Today, we are starting a complete HTML course from absolute beginner level all the way to professional level. Now, maybe you're thinking, don't have a computer science degree. I have never written code before. Programming looks difficult. If that's you, don't worry, because this course is specially designed for complete beginners. Even if you have never written a single line of code in your entire life, you can still follow this course. And by the end of this series, you will understand how websites are built, how browsers work, and how to create your own web pages from scratch. So, grab your laptop, open your code editor, and let's begin this amazing journey together. In this complete HTML course, I will teach you everything step by step. You don't need a computer science degree, previous coding experience, expensive online courses, programming background. All you need is a laptop or computer, internet connection, practice, patience. Many people think coding is very difficult, but honestly, coding is simply giving instructions to a computer. Think about this. We speak English to communicate with humans. Similarly, programmers use programming languages to communicate with computers. And HTML is usually the very first language every web developer learns. If websites are buildings, then HTML is the structure of that building. Without walls, doors, and rooms, a building cannot exist. Similarly, without HTML, a website cannot exist. Now let's understand this with a real-life example. Imagine you want to build a house. The bricks and walls create the structure. The paint makes it look beautiful. Electricity makes things work. Similarly, in web development, HTML gives the structure. CSS gives the design. JavaScript gives functionality. In simple words, HTML creates a button. CSS adds colors, size, and design. JavaScript makes that button perform an action. Without HTML, there is nothing to style. Without HTML, there is nothing to interact with. That is why every web developer starts their journey with HTML. Now you may ask, what exactly are we going to learn in this course? Well, in this course we will cover what is HTML, HTML tags, headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, lists, tables, forms, semantic HTML, audio and video, HTML, 5 elements, website structure, best practices, real projects, and finally, we will build complete web pages together. After completing HTML, you can move to CSS. After CSS, you can learn JavaScript. These three technologies together form the foundation of web development. Now, let's talk about careers. Many students ask me, can I get a job after learning HTML? The answer is, HTML alone is usually not enough for jobs. But HTML is the first and most important step. Every front-end developer, every web designer, every UI developer, every software engineer started with HTML. If you continue learning CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks, you can become front-end developer, web designer, UI developer, freelance web developer, full-stack developer. Remember this. Every big journey starts with a small step, and HTML is your first step. Before we begin this course, I want you to follow 3 important rules. Rule number 1, practice every example yourself. Do not just watch. Type the code, make mistakes, learn from those mistakes. Rule number 2, pause the video whenever necessary. Take your time. There is no competition here. Learning is more important than speed. Rule number 3, never memorize code. Understand the concept. Because coding is not about remembering. Coding is about understanding. Once you understand the concept, writing code becomes easy. So guys, this is our complete HTML course. And in the next class, we're going to start our first chapter. What is HTML and how does it actually work? We will understand the history of HTML. If you're excited for this journey, make sure to subscribe to CodeVision, turn on notifications, and practice along with every lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next class.